So I want to start this tutorial by talking about how to move a part of the wall down and leaving the other parts separate to a separate level. So first of all, click on the wall, go to edit type, edit the structure, make sure you're in section, press modify, and I want to come in here and click the actual bottom of the layer, and I might move this one as well. So these two are unlocked and these are all locked. So click OK, click OK. Now I want to move into the actual section, and I will move this back. And when I click the wall, I can move part of the wall down. So you might lock that. So when I join that, it goes in. So that's another way to modify the wall. So I want to talk about allowing and disallowing joints. So this is very handy where something like this wall, for example, when we move it out, it won't join. So a way to get around this is actually right click on the blue dot and disallow joint. So I drag it back, actually allow joint again, and trim. And there you see it can join it up. And obviously this wall as well. And this is the little trick I've showed you before, where you edit type, edit structure, press preview, minus this, and preview again and click OK. And that's it. And it can also help when a wall is coming through here and there's a gap in the wall, and you can disallow the joint and rejoin it, and it will fix that joint. It will be a hole in 3D. So I want to talk about a wall you might do by wall by face, to call it. So I have to do massing, so go to my massing and site, and you want to create an in-place mass. So we call it wall 1, and I want to go to 3D, so I'll just talk about how you create the mass to start. So I might do square, this is the first way to do it, and you draw a square whatever size you want and you create form. It's 2 of them, there's 5 in the solid, so I've gone solid here. So basically, if you want to mess around with the wall of the mass and click the wall, you can put an edge on it. You can click the actual edge itself, pull it out. Also, what you can do is profile. Or if you actually click that, it'll round it. So there can be problems with this. I can't do any on top. I can't like put a. You can't put a profile either. You can't put an edge, which is the main thing. I can only put it on the side. So a way to get around that is actually set my work plane. So I'm doing it by plane, and I want to draw a mass again. and draw it along that. And I'll click the mask again on the grip form, and basically I can draw it on that side. So if I add an edge, I can actually add it to the top now, which I want to click the line. If you click the line itself, and you can go up, it's easy enough. And same with the profile. So like I was asked to do a roof before, and you see now it's a curve on that roof now. So there's a lot of things you can do with it. I was asked to do that before, and that is how you do it. You have to do it. If you do it on the ground plane, on the level plane, horizontal plane, you can only do it at the sides. But if you do it on a vertical plane, we call it, you can do it on the top of it. But I won't be able to do it on this side, either side. So I'll try and add. I can't. And when I want to add walls then, or roofs, click Finish Mask, and then go to Masking Site, and I want to do it by wall. Basically all you do then is you click, that's the roof of course, and it joins up. And I can put on this curve. It's the best way to draw custom walls. And also when I do this, well, I want to do roofs up there, so I'll just go back to the mask and do it by roof. I'll click this. I'll just go with that square roof. So there's no colors involved here, but you know. So that's it. That's basically how we do the roof. Another way to do it is, so I want to create another mask. Yes. Another mask. Right. And I will go into my ground floor. And I'm going to create circle here. So go 8,000. I'm just going to draw a circle there. So now I want to go to first floor, and I want to draw it 4,000. So I want to move it. I'll just draw a line here. Doesn't matter. So NV, you can press as well. So when I go into 3D, you can highlight the walls, or the lines, the mask, press form, and it will create a form like this. So form for the wall mat, click Finish Mask, and go to Masking Site, go Wall, and click. That's how you do a curved wall. So the last thing I want to talk about walls is stacked walls. So we will go to walls, and I'll go down to the bottom and press stacked walls. You want to edit type, you want to duplicate, all this, thirds, wall, click OK. And basically you just edit the structure. You have to have all the walls pre-made. So I go down to the bottom. So there are the cavity walls, and generic 300, and you can actually set to height. So I go 1000, and I want to set this to cavity, and I can actually offset that if I want. Sit on top of the wall, and we will click OK. OK. So then when I draw the wall, I have the concrete on the bottom, and then I have my cavity wall. So if I cut a section through there, straighten it up first, and just rotate this. So we click the head, and I can actually you just set the height. That gives you height, and then you set the actual inside. You go 1000, and then if you did another wall, you put that height, and then the actual height will be variable because that's the actual height you want the wall. So then you go up from that. So your last wall will always be between the 1000 and the height. So minus the 1000 from the height, and that's it. So that's how you do stacked walls.